Good morning. It's really windy here today. I've got two visitors. Two of the cream-colored bulls are here. One's out there grazing, and the other one is right over here, right there, taking a little rest. And it is windy, so it's picking up too. It was a little bit calmer earlier when we first got up, but it's blowing again. So anyways, just thought I'd show you our visitors, our neighbors. They're pretty friendly. It is so windy that Beethoven and Berkeley turned around, went back to the van. All I got is Elton's, my buddy, he hung with me here. We're just taking a little further walk, stretching our legs. It's a pretty day, but it's a windy day, and I'll tell you that with the wind that strong, it really makes the wind chill pretty low right now. I got a jacket on and I'm still feeling chilly. But hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I've got the external mic on, but it may still be coming over since it's blowing so good. I think we're going to be heading back into the van when we get back and have ourselves a little nap this morning. What else is going on? Not too much. Pretty around here. I like it. I do. Some people would say it's not pretty, it's not beautiful, but you know, everything has its own beauty, I think. And you can be in the desert and enjoy it, and you can be in the mountains and enjoy it. And we do both. Hello, Shadow Man. Man, it's blowing. All right, well, I think we're gonna start heading back. The van's on up there. If you see that tree in the center, it's up there. We're not too far away, but yeah, we're heading home. Hey, take care, have a good day, and we will talk to you later. Okay? Bye.